My name is Samuel, and I'm the advanced practice provider with Unleashed Medical. I'll be the one ordering and interpreting your labs, writing your prescriptions, and providing your care while you're a patient with us. If you want to know how to get started on testosterone replacement therapy, we've made the process very simple. The first thing we need are labs. You can order the labs directly from our website by clicking the link below this video. After purchasing, you'll receive the official lab order in your email instantly. You'll be able to take this order to any LabCorp location. Results are usually ready between 3 and 5 days. As soon as they are ready, I will personally contact you and we will schedule a 30-minute telemedicine consultation to go over your reviews in detail, your medical history, and your personal health goals. Now, if you already have labs and they're within the last 6 months, then you can send those to admin@unleashedmedical.com so that I can review them, and then you can schedule a consultation and we can get you started that way. After our initial consult, I will send the order in, and once the pharmacy processes it, it'll be mailed to you next day. As a patient with Unleashed Medical, you have full access to my schedule. You can schedule as many follow-up appointments as you want to, and we will do whatever it takes to get you dialed in on the appropriate protocol to have you feeling the way you want to feel. All necessary labs are included. All follow-ups are included. The medication refills and deliveries are all included. There are never any extra or hidden fees. I guarantee that you will get results with us. If you have questions about testosterone replacement therapy, or our program in general, and you want to meet before ordering labs, that's perfectly fine. You can schedule a consult at no charge. So if you're ready to get started, click the link, order these labs, and I'll talk to you soon.